Hi, my name's Loic Menzies and I'm Chief Executive of the Centre for Education and Youth. And back in 2018, CfEY worked with Minds Ahead on a report looking at schools and mental health. We've also just published a book called Young People on the Margins, which is a chapter which focuses on young people and their mental health. And something we found throughout our research is that there's very strong evidence to show that the incidence of mental health difficulties amongst young people has been increasing dramatically in recent years. And that's left a system that doesn't have the capacity to give them the support they need. Commenting on this, Dr. Tamsin Ford from Cambridge University raises just how serious an issue this is. She talks about the interaction too between the issues of youth mental health and school exclusion. So school exclusion causing youth mental health difficulties, but mental health difficulties also causing school exclusion in a really problematic, mutually reinforcing way. And that means it's really important to intervene early and support young people with those needs. And doing so can not only reduce psychological distress, but also reduce the risk of young people being excluded from school and all the negative outcomes that come with that. Unfortunately, half of school leaders say that most of their staff are not equipped to identify young people's mental health needs, and a quarter say they don't know how to respond, what to do about it. So that's quite worrying given that high incidence and the need for support. But of course, at the same time, it's not for schools to step in and be the health service. It's not for them to provide really specialist interventions. However, there is much more scope for them to help identify need early and support young people before it becomes a real problem. Because schools are that universal service that all young people encounter, and so they're uniquely placed to spot things early and respond. So that's why I think it's really important that we increase the capacity and expertise within school staff to support young people with their mental health.